Hey fam, today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make plantain flour. Very simple. Watch. What I'm gonna do is cut this up and go through the line. It is much easier. It feels easier when you cut through the line first. So now after finish cutting up my plantains, so what I want to do now is to slice it. I can use a slicer or I can use a grinder like this, okay? So if I want to use the slicer, I can actually go like this. You see, just like that. Or I can cut it bit by bit. If I use the slicer, the potato slicer, I can make it like this and dry it, but I want it faster and easier. So I'll be using this method. Just grind it. After slicing it up, I will then dehydrate it. But if you don't have a dehydrator, you can as well sun it. Leave it under the sun. Spread it out and leave it under the sun till it gets dried. Here I have my parchment paper. My form is rectangle. From a rectangle to a square, from a rectangle to a square, then I'll form a triangle, and I'll break it up one more. And I'll get my rack. I'll measure from here to here, then I'll cut it out. Now from here to here, then I have to cut here off. Then open it, it becomes a circle. See how it goes? See it? It's fitted. So this is how I will now sprinkle my plantains on it and place on the dehydrator. You can use your hand, you can use spoon, and just spread it out. Spread it out and place this like this. You see that? And then cover it up. And I'm gonna set the timer. I left it overnight, and this is what we got. You see how it is? Dry it up. That's it. blend this. I'll then pour it into my shifter. This is our flour. Put it in an airtight container and set aside while I prepare this one now to eat. So sit back and watch how it comes out, how it turns out. And please, if you've not subscribed, use this opportunity to please click the like button and subscribe. God bless you. And stir immediately. To avoid lumps, just keep stirring, stir. Some water and cook a little more. Cover and cook. End result, and I'll be garnishing this now with our egusi soup. So let's eat. You can see how it is. Very good. You can try this at home and leave a comment. Wow, so good. Enjoy this, folks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.